This 2006 Winnebago View 23J is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Winnebago is 23 feet 5 inches in length and features one slideout, a tan, white interior, sleeps 6, TV, stovetop burner, CO detector, auxiliary battery, water heater, smoke detector, air conditioning, LP detector, awning, refrigerator, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2006 Winnebago View 23J is built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis and is powered by a Mercedes MBE 600 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.